Alright, this is an Echo PAS 225 Weed Whacker with the Weed Wacker head that has a self-retracting string, so makes it very easy. First thing you got to do, because I ran out of string on this, so first thing you got to do is see these eyes right here. You got to line them up to the top part where that little triangle comes down. So we twist it till now the eyes are lined up. You can see it goes straight to the other end. So now we're ready to wind in our Weed Wacker. Now, I usually do 3 arm lengths approximately. Lengths 1, 2, 3. And come over to the Weed Wacker head and you run it outside the other hole. Now we can just get that to go. Oh, there we go. Make it so it's even, approximately, give or take. And then we are going to wind. So, as you can see, it winds up pretty quick and easy. Just one more. There we go. Now, see, this is the clip. This is the maximum length, so it'll cut off if you're weed whacking. As you weed whack, you bump, and it feeds more string. It'll cut it off to keep it safe. It's just super easy. Compared to my other weed whackers, this is no winding and putting it back together and stuff like that. Just stick it through. I'm ready to get back into the weed whacking scene. So thank you. Click like and subscribe.